YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whoever. What's up? We got LB to the beats. You can find them on YouTube with them fire beats. LaShawn Wickens, BFC. I'm back here with another video. In this video, we're gonna go over Sundial Growers. Ticker symbol SNDL. Ticker symbol SNDL, traded on the NASDAQ. SNDL is a penny stock. Alright? It's a penny stock and it's a hype penny stock right now. It's a stock that's being talked about everywhere right now. It's on the list with GameStop and AMZ and the other stocks on that list. But right now we're going to talk about SNDL and what SNDL did in the after hours. And we're going to be using Webull trading mobile platform. Alright? We're going to be using Webull mobile trading platform. That's what you're looking at right now on the screen, okay? And the shaded area you see here, the shaded area that you see here, from here to here, represents after hour trading. And how you can know it's after hours, when you look on the chart, you're going to see like a little moon, okay? And that represents after hour trading. Now I told you guys before that after hour trading starts at the close of regular hours, okay? And it's going to be 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., all right? It gives you 4 hours, all right? A lot of other platforms do not do this. Webull mobile trading platform allows you to trade after hours, okay? Now this is great for people that have to work and you don't get off until 4 or 5 o'clock, even 6 o'clock. You still have 2 hours to jump in, because I know some people like myself like to be active. We like 401ks and stuff like that, but we like to do it ourselves. Have a little fun with it and make some money in the process. So here we go. As you can see in after hours, SNDL did nothing but consolidation, right? They did consolidation, right? And looking at the 5-minute chart, you see that 20 still pushing up, right? So that might continue in the morning, but we know the story and we know the behavior of what consolidation means. All right. So what we have to do is to get a little more confidence, right? I like to go out a little more, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the daily chart, right? Let's look at the candlesticks. We're going to go out a little more. Right now we're looking at the daily chart, and as you can see, AMC had a nice jump over here, but we all know why that happened, okay? And without the hype that it had, that would had not happened on its own, okay? But with all that being said and done, as you can see, the drop happened. Now we have the behavior that's supposed to happen after that drop, okay? So as you can see here, during the regular trading hours, okay, so that's going to be in between the after hours and the, let me mark it so you can see. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, so here we have the after hours, and here we have the pre-market, and here we have regular, okay? So, as you can see, during regular trading hours, AMC got a nice push, alright? And that push went up to 145. Now, when you look at that push, right? And then you look at the price point right now, it didn't go down much, right? It held its price, it held its ground, alright? So what I think is gonna happen, I think we're gonna get another push tomorrow. The earnings is coming up on the 17th, as you can see here. This is also causing the price to push. If earnings are good, the price will spike. If earnings is not good, the price will go down. But on the other hand, the movie theaters are just opening it back up, all right? And people are like dying to get up in there and watch a movie. That's that's something that Americans do. Not Americans in general, but just people in general. The movie theater is like one of the second most like thing to do with family, to go out to the movies, go catch a movie. Oh, we got commercials. Everybody hear that? Okay. So I'm going to hold this position a little more. I'm going to catch it in pre-market hours and see what it's doing. It may do a sharp drop and then uptrend during the day. Now here's a key. Here's a key level. The key level is about like 133, 134, right? But if AMC could break 145 tomorrow, because that was the highest point it hit, then it came back down, alright? If AMC breaks, AMC, I don't know why I keep doing that. SNDL. If it breaks 145, expect a push, alright? So now the reason why I say that is this. When the price goes up, like when you see a price trending up like that, let's move this over here. When you see a price trending up like that, then it stops. It caught resistance. Alright, it caught resistance. Can't go. Comes back down, alright? See, we got some consolidation. Did a little drop. More consolidation. And it came back up. Consolidation. So that means that's a good sign. It's a really, really good sign. Because it didn't drop, all the way back down to these levels. And then try to get its way up. Drop down a little bit. So that's my take on SNDL and what might happen tomorrow. Either way, I'm still going to hold this a little bit. Still going to hold a little bit. Let me look at the 2 hour. Okay. Yeah, it's looking nice. 2 hour. Look at the 1 hour. I like this. I like that. Still pushing up. But this is not too much of a good sign, because when it's that high, it start coming back down. But like I said, that'll happen like in the first hour or 2 or 3, and then it'll do this. Alright, that's still a Sean Wicks BFC. I don't want to make this a long video. Just a quick overview of what happened in after hours with AMC. Alright, after hours. That's what happened after hours. Nothing happened. That's it. See you guys tomorrow. Pre-market hours. Let's go.